Welcome, I'm Jan Kugel. In this video I would like to show you the importance of conducting identification tests. A company must perform an ID test for each batch of every material that it uses in drug production. Not doing so may lead to dire consequences both to the consumers and the company. How exactly, I'll describe in a moment. I have talked about this issue in an episode of Letters to Avoid series. It was about the importance of drug component verification and the mistake that the company Huiyan Zhongeng Biotech did. I will leave a link to this video as well. But in this video I bring a specific scenario that could potentially happen in a pharma company that disregards the ID tests and relies solely on the supplier. Let's explore the following scenario as an example. The company Viped Pharma Inc. produces paclitaxel injections. The injections are used for treating cancer and contain 50% ethanol. Viped Pharma ordered ethanol, but its supplier messed up. It delivered Viped Pharma with a container with the label ethanol on it, but in reality it contained methanol. Viped Pharma didn't perform any ID tests because they have a very long and successful relationship with their supplier. So they carry on with the production, fill the paclitaxel vials with methanol and ship them away to hospitals across the country. A few days later, cancer patients arrive at the same hospitals for cancer treatment and get those faulty injections. I will leave it to your imagination to think about what happens next. Long story short, it won't be the supplier who the authorities would blame for the toxic drugs. It would be the "we are in big trouble" pharma and the qualified person or quality manager who released the batch, who the authorities would charge with criminal offense. In conclusion, make sure that your company takes ID tests very seriously. That way you keep consumers safe and stay away from serious trouble. Do you agree with me or you see things differently? Write down your thoughts in the comment section. If you found this video interesting, share it with your colleagues. Stay compliant and see you in the next segment.